There's another very important event today, and that's the panel on manufacturing push. The meeting is scheduled for today. The committee is in fact expected to draw up a blueprint for making India the manufacturing hub for a dozen identified sectors, which include electronics, auto components, furniture and footwear. The meeting will also shortlist another 8 sectors that have similar potential. In fact, we're also expecting the who's who of India Inc. to be a part of this meeting. Nayantara joins in with more.
This is a story we broke right here on ET Now on Monday. Things are certainly moving fast, and the steering committee for Atmanirbhar is going to be meeting today. The order of business for today is to actually elect a chair for this committee, and I'm being told by my sources, in all likelihood, it is going to be the managing director of M&M, Pawan Goenka, who is going to be steering and chairing this committee on Atmanirbhar, with the idea being to advise the government on the kind of policies that are needed, interventions, also maybe interact with investors and the industry community at large. Sheshagiri Rao, the Group CFO of JSW, also going to be a part of this committee, as well as the Director Generals of industry bodies, CII, FICCI, as well as ASSOCHAM. So 12 sectors had already been announced. Another 8 has been shortlisted. So I'd like to point that out. 20 sectors will make it for trying to come out with various schemes when it comes to making India Atmanirbhar. The sectors at play: air conditioners. We already told you how a draft note has already been prepared for something which is called the phased manufacturing program, which basically, as the name suggests, everything is done in phases. So you increase the manufacturing in phases, at the same time you incentivize industry in phases, which could include increasing import duty on indoor outdoor consumer air conditioners from the current 20% to 30% in 5 years' time. Auto components, a massive priority area for this government. If you look at the calendar year 2018-19, India imported auto components worth $17 billion. 27% of that was from China alone. Agrochemicals, food processing, ready-to-eat, sports goods, gym equipment, ethanol, EV parts. All of this going to be discussed by the committee, how to make all of them Atmanirbhar. So all I can say is stay tuned to ET Now. We've been right on this top of this story. We're going to continue to be right on top of this story. Today's agenda is to elect the chair, and in all likelihood it's going to be Dr. Pawan Goenka.
Okay, stay tuned to ET Now. We'll be right on top of this meeting. We've already been one of the first few people to tell you about the big manufacturing push that was being decided by the government, and now of course things are moving in real fast pace right there. The panel is expected to meet today.